In spite of doing Kapalabhati, Pranayam, regular practice of Yoga Abhyas and acupressure, there is no difference. Then what to do? Drink juice or bottle gourd in your morning breakfast. After practicing Yoga Abhyas, drink bottle gourd juice, and if you feel very hungry, then make a special porridge. The one which we recommend for diabetes also, it controls the weight as well. Eat fruits, drink milk, eat light stuff, consume more green vegetables in your lunch. In dinner also you should have green vegetables and dal of green gram. You will have to bring changes in your meal. And also remember, with such changes in the meal, you will have to bring changes in your lifestyle also. Bring a few important changes. Do not sleep for more than 6 hours. With such little changes in your daily routine, your whole life will be transformed. So, drink lukewarm water. This is the first thing you should do in the morning. Everyone should drink water after getting up in the morning. If you drink lukewarm water, it will help to reduce your weight. But if drinking lukewarm water does not help you, then what you should do? Drink Triphala water in morning. For this, soak 2 spoonfuls of Triphala overnight in plain water. By morning, all the components will be extracted in the water. 1 to 2 spoonfuls of Triphala, soak it in overnight. In morning, boil this soaked Triphala in 2 glasses of water. When volume reduces to half a glass, filter and drink it. You can add few more things. If you do not have joint pains, then add few drops of lemon. Few drops of lemon juice and also ginger extract in a small quantity. Few drops of lemon juice, ginger extract and honey. Mix them all and drink it. Your weight will definitely be reduced with this home remedy. Till now, we have helped thousands of people reduce their weight. And therefore, all these people have full faith that with the practice of Kapalabhati and with little changes in your lifestyle, one can definitely get rid of the problem of obesity. Obesity has to reduce. There is absolutely no doubt in this fact. Just take this home remedy. What is that? Triphala 2 spoonfuls soaked overnight in 2 glasses of water. If stomach is sensitive, then soak 1 spoonful in 1 glass of water. 2 spoonfuls of Triphala soaked overnight in 2 glasses of water. Boil this water in morning. When quantity reduces to half a glass, add in that Triphala extract, few drops of lemon, few drops of ginger juice, about 10 to 15 drops, and 1 to 2 spoonfuls of honey. And drink it warm early in the morning itself. As soon as you wake up. For breakfast, drink juice or bottle gourd. After you have practiced Yoga Abhyas, Triphala water has to be taken as soon as you get up. So, you must drink Triphala water in the morning with few drops of lemon, ginger juice, honey added in it. Lukewarm water is also effective. In this also one may add drops of lemon, ginger juice and honey, which will help to reduce your weight. Then, you can also adopt another remedy. And one of the most effective remedy is the use of ashwagandha leaves along with bottle gourd juice. Leaves of ashwagandha have now become so expensive in India that a small plant which we gave for rupees 10 in our ashram is now sold for rupees 20, 50 or even 100 rupees in the market. People are selling at any price. It's a very common plant, but nobody knew its utility earlier. Now we'll tell you. To reduce the weight, take leaves of ashwagandha. For increasing weight, the roots of this plant are used. Leaves are used for reducing the weight. Eat 1 leaf each of ashwagandha in morning, afternoon and in evening with lukewarm water. Take them 1 hour before breakfast, afternoon lunch and dinner. In addition to this, drink lukewarm water whenever you feel thirsty. Although we recommend various abstinence for 1 month, but one has to take these leaves for 7 days only. Then give a gap of 15 days, again take these leaves for 7 days regularly. After consuming ashwagandha leaves for these 14 days, you may check your weight. You will find that within a month you will shed from 10 to 40 pounds of your extra weight. We recommend the use of ashwagandha leaves for 3 to 7 days. One should eat its leaves for 3 to 7 days, thrice a day, in morning, afternoon and evening on empty stomach. Then, after a gap of 15 days, again take the same remedy. Observe abstinence for 1 month. What they should avoid? Stop intake of salt. It can be consumed in small quantity if BP remains low. Stop consuming cereals. Then what should one eat? Green vegetables, milk and fruits, etc. For 9 years I have been on this diet only. Such diet not just removes the excess fat, but provides a balance. The normal level of fat which is required by our body is maintained properly. Only excess weight is removed from our body. So eat green vegetables, milk and fruits, and also the leaves of ashwagandha. And also do Kapalabhati and Yoga Abhyas. Within a month you may lose 30 to 40 pounds of the excess weight, and this will really be a major achievement for you. Eat leaves of ashwagandha which reduces the excess fats in no time. Eat for 3 to 7 days, then give a gap of 15 days and observe strict abstinence for about 1 month. No cereals, no salt, no sweets, no clarified butter. Eat green vegetables, milk and fruits. You may say such a diet will automatically reduce the extra pounds. But these remedies are for those who put on weight even when they drink plain water. For those who have tried many things, have been doing morning walks since past 10 or 20 years, even then there is no difference. Ashwagandha leaves should be used by them. We give primary importance to yoga, and in yoga, pranayam. Second preference is asana. And the third preference is acupressure. And fourth preference is home remedy. Bottle gourd juice, ashwagandha leaves and triphala, these can easily be used at home only. Harad, baheda and amla, the ingredients of triphala are easily available. Take 100 gram of harad, take peelings of harad, peelings of big harad 100 gram, baheda 100 gram, take its peeling, and amla. After removing its seeds, remove seeds and then use. Take amla 100 gram, baheda 100 gram, harad peelings 100 gram. This is triphala. For comparatively fast effect and if you want to avoid the chances of constipation, you may prepare triphala in this manner. Take 100 gram amla, 100 gram baheda and add 200 gram harad peelings in this. You can yourself prepare it at home and use it. Along with the use of triphala, one may also start taking some Ayurvedic medicines. Although I always give first preference to yoga, but still there are many such lazy people or such types of obese people who are unable to do much, are unable to move. What should they do? They should use the Medohar Vati prepared in our ashram. It contains mainly the extract of triphala only. It also has certain compositions of Medohar in it. Gugal and Shilajit are also added in this. These also reduce excess fat and make our bones strong. Yoga Abhyas will definitely reduce your weight. It will also enhance your stamina. So take triphala, gugal and Medohar Vati, 1 tablet each, in morning, afternoon and evening, after the meals with lukewarm water. So this was about the Ayurvedic medicines which are prepared in our ashram and are made easily available. In Ayurveda also, there are many such traditional medicines which can help you shed your excess weight. And my main aim is to make this country and the whole world healthy and free from diseases. We want your equal support in this. Obesity affects the stamina of a person, working capacity is reduced. He becomes very lethargic. Practice of Yoga Abhyas will make you more capable, more strong and more active. Slowly, your physique will become attractive, balanced and healthy. This will also reflect directly on your personality. In my opinion, for an all-round personality development, to enhance your capability and stamina, to develop self-confidence, to improve and enhance your skill, and to keep away from all kinds of ailments, there is nothing better than yoga. Obesity, a problem from which 20 to 40% of world's youth population and 10 to 20% children of our country and of the world are suffering. Thousands of millions of sufferers may get rid of this problem. You may inspire your friends and family members to practice yoga regularly if they want to get rid of this problem. I hope this message will spread soon and all the people of this world suffering from the problem of obesity will definitely be benefited, because there is only one remedy for this: Yoga Abhyas, and a natural and balanced way of living. Always keep your diet balanced and mind joyful. Practice Yoga Abhyas for half an hour to 1 hour regularly. You may never have to suffer from the problem of overweight. I am sure you will never become obese. You will remain healthy, slim, trim, smart, happy and joyful with an attractive personality. You will become a unique example and leave a positive impression on this world.